Jomar.
Pat-pat on lane number 5.
This is event number 78, women 19 and over, 100-meter butterfly. Swimming in lane 3 is Aliligay Melros of Caprisa. Lane 4, Barok Beatriz Ann of Ilo Prisa. And lane 5 is Valenzuela Daniel of Ilo Prisa.
Go, Pat!
Vivian! Vivian! Viv!
On deck are swimmers for event number 79, boys.